So, on your notes, we're reviewing parallel and perpendicular and some other things, but parallel lines have the same slope. They never intersect, but the biggest thing you need to remember for this class is parallel lines mean same slope. Y'all should be writing this down. Perpendicular lines means that you flip and change the slope. All right, flip and change the slope. Flip means you're flipping your fraction. Change means if it's positive, it goes to negative. If it's negative, it goes to positive. Okay? All right, number one, write the equation line that's perpendicular to the graph of 3x plus 6y equals 12. Passes through the point 4, 0. We've already learned how to do this, but it's been about a month, so we're reviewing it. All right, if it's perpendicular, that means I have to flip and change the slope. What is the slope of 3x plus 6y equals 12? We don't know. Very good, thank you. We don't know yet. We have to solve it. So I'm going to subtract 3x, and then I'm going to divide by 6. Okay? When you divide by 6, you get y equals, what's 12 divided by 6? 2. Negative 3 over 6 reduces to negative 1/2 x. Okay? All right, so you do have to solve them to find the slope. What is the slope of this line? Negative 1/2. Very good, negative 1/2. So I'm going to write m equals negative 1/2, and I'm going to cross that out. You won't use that 2 at all. You'll never use that 2. Okay? So the slope of this line was negative 1/2. Parallel or perpendicular? Perpendicular. So I need to flip and change. What does negative 1/2 become? 2. It already was negative.
Oh, you're right. Regular positive. My bad, guys.
All right, so positive 2. You can put 1 underneath it, but that'll make your life harder. So 2 divided by 1 is just 2. Okay? All right, it said write the equation of the line. What's the formula for a line? Very good. Y equals mx plus b. So that's your formula that you're using. Anybody remember what goes in for y? 0. Very good. You label those x and y. And your y is 0. What goes in for m? 2. Remember, come back over here. M is slope. M is 2. What is x? 4. And then we put plus b. Okay? All right. Then you multiply those. 2 times 4 is 8. And then you have to get b by itself. And when I move 8 to the other side, I have to subtract it. So I get b is what? Negative 8. Okay? All right. Which answer choice has b of negative 8? D. So your slope is 2, and your b is negative 8. Did you actually have to find the b on this one?
No.
Because the only one that had a slope of 2 was D. Okay? All right. Number 2, when graphed on a coordinate plane, Main Street runs through negative 3, 8, and 7, negative 2. Contractors are designing a sidewalk that will run parallel to Main Street through the ordered pair 6, 4. What is an equation that would represent the sidewalk? All right, what's the key word?
Parallel.
Parallel. Circle it, underline it, highlight it, do something. The key word is parallel. Parallel means same slope. Okay, I have to find the slope. Okay, in this case, they give me 2 points. How do I find the slope of that? Very good. Y minus y over x minus x. So 8 minus negative 2, negative 3 minus 7. Okay. We know that minus a negative turns into a positive, so you get 10 on top. Negative 3 minus 7. And you do have to divide those if possible. 10 divided by negative 10 is negative 1. Okay. What is negative 1? The slope. Okay, it's the slope. If it's parallel, I'm going to keep it the same. What's one answer choice I can go ahead and mark out?
D.
D. Very good, because they don't have negative 1. Okay. All right, so I know my slope is -1, but now it has to go through which point? 6, 4. Now it has to go through the point 6, 4. Okay? All right, so again, if you go back and read the question, it says equation of the line. What's the formula for that? Good. Y equals mx plus b. All right, what goes in for y? 4. Be careful. Y is 4. What goes in for m? M is your slope. Mountains have slopes. Okay, M is slope. What goes in for x? 6 plus b. Okay. -1 times 6 is, when I move it to this side, I have to add it. So you get b is 10. Okay. What answer choice is that? A. Okay. All right, number 3, a line has a slope of -2/3 and a y-intercept of -2. Which of the following is the equation of the line? All right, somebody who hasn't answered today, you've answered today. On number 3, how am I going to find which one is the equation? Somebody who hasn't answered today. You have to solve the answers. Very good. You have to solve the answers. So on this first one, what are you always trying to get by itself?
Y.
On these. You're trying to get y by itself. When there's an x and a y, you're trying to get y by itself. So you move 3x to the other side. Bless you. And then you divide by 2. So I get y equals 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then 3 won't divide by 2, so you leave it a fraction. Okay? Is that the answer? They want it to have a slope of -2/3, does it? No. Okay. All right, so for B, I'm going to draw my line. What moves to the other side? So you minus 2x, and then you divide by 3. So I get y equals what? -2. Minus 2 over 3x. That's it. Okay. So that one has a slope of -2/3 and a y-intercept of -2. Okay. Remember that your slope is the number with the x. Okay. All right, number 4, a line segment has endpoints -4, 2 and b, 6, 4. The point C is the midpoint of AB. What is the equation of a line perpendicular to AB passing through C? Okay, so a line segment has endpoints -4, 2 and b, 6, 4. Nothing to circle, underline there. The point C is the midpoint, okay? If they say the word midpoint, I have to do the midpoint formula, okay? What is that? X plus x divided by 2, comma, y plus y divided by 2. Okay, so -4 plus 6 divided by 2 and 2 plus 4 divided by 2. Okay, x plus x divided by 2, y plus y divided by 2. -4 plus 6 is 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 plus 4 is, divided by 2 is 3. Okay. What letter can I label this one? C. Okay, it says C is the midpoint. Now they say they want it to be perpendicular and passing through C. All right, so it's got to go through that point. What has it got to be perpendicular to? A and B. What does perpendicular mean to do? Flip and change the slope. So I also have to do what formula? Slope formula. What's the slope formula? Okay.